Alright, hi all. So, the Nissan 370Z title, rebuilt title, is ready for pickup, and it's been almost 3 weeks now. And I'm heading there to the office to pick it up, and I'm on my way right now. Look at this. It's good. Just look good, I guess. It's beautiful. Like, let me close the hood real quick. Yeah, man, it looks good. This is beautiful.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
Woo! I totally forgot about this car. The 370Z. I'm surprised it started back up and it's working. Wow. Let's take it for a ride for a bit. Okay, so I remember the problem is I need to change the transmission fluid due to shifting delay, and I will show you the shifting delay. See that? Now and I also have the bushings. Actually, the differential bushings need replacement. I can feel the car jerks, and definitely they need to be replaced. And I forgot what else needs to be replaced and what needs to be fixed on this car. I seriously forgot all about this car, and I need to get back to it sooner or later to get it back on the road. I need a new windshield, transmission oil change, differential bushings replacement. Oh yes, and the fuel pump need to be replaced because I have the gas gauge not working correctly because of the fuel pump, and also the seat belts. Yes, the seat belts need to be repaired. Right. What else? Oh, and I definitely gonna replace the passenger fender. Because of rust now, it starts rusting and everything, so definitely need to be changed. What else? I forgot what else need to be replaced, but I'm gonna just I don't know, I just want to drive it today, and when the time comes to fix it, I'll figure it out.